Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the NZXT build. As you guys can see, my previous build is already dismantled. The NZXT Manta ITX. It's time for a new look. I'll be missing the NZXT Manta for sure because it has been with me since I was in medical school. Let's get to the new build, which is the NZXT H510 float. The board will be the AMD version of the NZXT B550. It's not a high tier like Z490 last year. B550, which is still okay. I'm not a heavy user or whatnot. I bought this before the Z490 for Intel, and now I'm buying it for the AMD build just because of this. Ryzen 7 integrated graphics, the VEGA 8. The reason is that I'm not a gamer. I'll be playing games with my PS4 and PS5, but I'm not gonna be like playing games on PC anymore. The reason being that the game files are really big at times and I don't have time because I normally do editing on my computer and trading. So this itself is future proofing. So my build for today is pretty clean, minimalistic looking, and suit with my theme in my room, which is all white, which I love. So getting a graphics card which is white right now is pretty hard because of the mining everything, which is totally understandable because I'm in crypto. So we've been pairing up with this ARGB 2 fans, which is in white. I need to have a hub from the NZXT in order to use the camp software, which is a bit of a hassle. This is my previous build, NZXT Z53. This is a very affordable entry level of the NZXT line. If you guys want the LED screen, this is considered the smaller version rather than Z63. This is Z53. There's a lot of Zs out there. I'm not up to date with that one, but this itself is really good enough for me. So yeah, let's go with the build. Yeah, it's a very slim fan, not the RGB fan. If you're buying the RYZEN 7 from AMD, so it's very basic. The NZXT H510. Previously, I bought myself the H510 normal. This is just the flow version. Okay, the grill on the front. Okay, everyone's question is it easy to pop this out? I saw a video, they pop it from this side. Yep, super easy. 2 fingers. And it does come with a dust filter. It does come with it. You guys can see that at the back. And this one can be removed. Is it easy? Yep, it is easy. Quite straightforward. Comes like this. Only 2 fans, which is the 120 at the front, right here, the 120 with the RGB of course, and at the rear. So what fans you can put in? If I'm not mistaken, you can put 140 at the front or inside, or here at the top 140. At the back is always 120 of course. So that's that, a typical standard NZXT fan for this build, which is okay for the price. So let's pop this screen. Is it easy? Unscrew at the top. Pop this out, very easy. Let's take a look at the back too. So the wiring is really neat given NZXT box. That's about it. So the reason I got this is because of the USB Type-C and of course the Wi-Fi 6 the motherboard comes with. So it's kind of like future-proofing myself, and of course having the NZXT aesthetic board, which is top notch. Since it comes with AMD, it got me, man. I need it. That's what I was thinking, like I need this board, and I love AMD. Yeah, for the price ratio, AMD gave the best value, so that's why I got the board. So yeah, that's it for this video. For part 1 of this video guys, I'll be making like another video at night because I have to go to work. So yeah, I'll be catch you guys soon.